you know that Genesee Bridge on I-70, also known as the Picture Frame Bridge, is a popular spot for drivers heading west from Denver to see the Rocky Mountains, offering a scenic view of the Continental Divide. And if you're lucky enough, you will see the famous buffalo roam the largest park in the Denver Mountain Park system, Genesee Park. It's just 20 miles west of Denver on I-70 off of exit 254. As part of the Mountain Park system, Genesee Park offers sweeping views of the Front Range, the elk and buffalo herd, and trails totaling 2,413 acres. After soaking in the stunning views of the Rocky Mountains and snapping a few photos of the buffalo, you'll discover a beautifully planned community filled with open space trails, top-notch clubhouse amenities, and breathtaking mountain and city views. Residents love this community because it offers the perfect blend of mountain living with the convenience of well-maintained roads, friendly neighbors, great amenities, scenic trails, stunning views, and abundant wildlife. You won't have to venture far into Genesee to spot the deer, elk, buffalo, and plenty of other wildlife right in your backyard. And the best part? We have a luxury home for sale in this neighborhood that could make this incredible community all yours. Residents of the Genesee neighborhood have full access to the Vista and Foothills clubhouses. The Vista Clubhouse offers a full-time staff, office amenities, notary services, and trail books. It also has meeting and party rooms to rent, as well as a full kitchen, 2 swimming pools, locker rooms, tennis and pickleball courts, and a playground. The Foothills Clubhouse has a state-of-the-art fitness center, locker rooms, a library, and a meeting room for smaller gatherings. The clubhouse has a new competition-sized pool, home to Genesee's award-winning Mountain Thunder swim team. Finding the perfect home in today's market can be a challenge, balancing the price and the location and design, but this home, it's got it all. This whole house has been updated. As you can see, I'm standing in the entrance of this home. Not only is it grand, but you can automatically see everything that's been upgraded, from the updated kitchen to the staircase, and over here, this living room is to die for. Let's take a look. Now, the family room is one of my favorite features of this home. Not only do you have 2-story windows in this place, you also have gorgeous wood floors and hello, this fireplace. It's 2-story, wooden mantle. What else can you ask for? Well, I'll tell you what else you can ask for. There's this amazing sitting room on the other side of this through fireplace. It's cozy, it's warm, it has the wooden beams, and it's right next to the kitchen. Let's go take a look. Now, if you're looking for a kitchen that's the heart of the home, I have found it. Check out these granite countertops. They're a leather finish. Also, the cabinetry is two-tone. Not only do you have cream cabinetry, but you also have in the main island a beautiful sage. Not only does this kitchen have an undermount Blackstone farmhouse sink, but it has 3 of them. And my favorite one is over here looking out over Mount Blue Sky. Can you imagine doing your dishes and looking at Mount Blue Sky at the same time? So worth it. This kitchen comes complete with a coffee/wet bar, a gas range, and stainless steel appliances. And right off this kitchen is an oversized dining room, perfect for entertaining your guests. And guys, check out this sliding glass door. It's enormous, which makes it even better to have your barbecues and enjoy Mount Blue Sky. We're about to check out the primary suite, but I wanted to show you these wood floors, the metal railing, as well as the custom light fixtures. It's a beautiful walk to your primary suite. This primary suite is truly a retreat. It has the continued vaulted ceilings with the wooden beams, the beautiful windows that go all the way to those wooden beams, and you have your own deck. Come check it out. Now, this primary suite has 3 closets. This one, I call dibs. I'm not sure if you've ever seen this, but this primary suite has a little secret. It has its own sauna with Mount Blue Sky views. And on the same level as the primary suite, you have 3 additional spacious bedrooms and a bathroom with dual sinks. This house keeps on going because the lower level has not only 2 additional spacious bedrooms, a bathroom, but it has this oversized living space, plenty of room for games and recreation or your family favorite movie night. This lower level walkout basement has access to the hot tub and the 4th deck. The builder knew what he was doing when he built this house. He built 4 decks that all capture Mount Blue Sky views. Living in the village of Genesee means you're not only just buying a home, you're joining a community. With the Clubhouse amenities and miles of scenic hiking trails, there's something here for everyone. And whether you're heading into Denver for work or up the hill for a ski weekend, you'll love the quick access to both city life and the mountains.